Hey, Gary Baker here with Publisher Report. Today I want to show you a software called Puzzle Publishers. Actually, it's a suite of softwares inside of a membership called Puzzle Publishers. And the thing I wanted to show you is how I created what you see here on this page, which is a dot to dot of a beer mug or beer stein with a little foam on top. And I want to show you that this template came from inside of the membership area of Puzzle Publishers, as well as the tool itself, and also a few of the other tools that you could use to create an entire book of activities and puzzles that you can compile, like you see here on the screen inside of Canva, where I added the icon or the drawing that I got from the template, which I'm going to show you inside of Puzzle Publishers, as well as the dot to dot that I put here on a page. That looks like this inside of your PDF viewer. And of course, when you print it out, it's a real page. It'd be inside a real book, just like you see right here. So we'll go ahead and we'll jump right into the members area of Puzzle Publishers. You can see right here, you have your members dashboard, some training, software training, some live trainings. The software itself that you see right here, Search It, Find It, Simply Maze Crazy, Simply Maze Crazy Legacy, Word Search Crazy, Graphical Search Crazy, Dot to Dot Crazy, Daisy Editor, Crazy Hangman Builder, Robot Crazy Builder, as well as Mandela Crazy and Crazy Stretcher Pocket Edition. Now I'm not going to go through all these softwares in this video. That would be an extremely long video, but I want to jump into the templates area and show you the different types of templates that you see right here. SMC stands for Simply Maze Crazy. You have 24 or 12 templates, some free templates, as well as some Hangman templates, as well as the monthly templates. And this template or this image that you see here of this beer stein and this beer mug with the foam that I created the dot to dot and dot to dot crazy came inside the download February templates. Of course, if you download that, it'll be a zip file right here. You open up that zip file, then you'll see all the PDFs and the PNGs that are in here. And you can see those right there. There's the beer PNG, as well as there's a Clover, but the beer BNG is the one that I was working with inside of the software. To do that, I simply went back into Puzzle Publishers membership area, went under software. I scrolled down to dot to dot crazy, clicked access now. The canvas opens, you scroll down a little bit. Of course, the bigger your screen, the more space you have to work with. I'm working on a MacBook Pro, so I have a laptop screen, and go ahead and load the outline image. Load that beer image right there, open it up. You can see it comes in. You can zoom it in, zoom it out as you want. You can also change the transparency. I found it easier when you're working with a darker image or a thick line like this to decrease the transparency. Come down here and click Create Dots. That will create the dots right there. Then you simply just start dragging the dots around this outer edge. Then when you get your dots where you want, of course, you can move the numbers right here because you won't be able to see them when I bring the transparency back up. If they are covered, I'll go ahead and bring the transparency back up and you'll see the transparency back up right there. Then I want to show you the cool feature right here called Magic Eraser. Magic Eraser will then erase the foam right there. As you can see, I'm having to erase too much of the cup and not enough of the foam. We'll bring the Magic Eraser back down. Simply at this point, move your dots up like this a little bit. And what you can do is move this one down, and you'll see that then you're able to use the Magic Eraser again. And now you can erase more and get rid of the foam completely. Of course, you could also leave the Magic Eraser right there and drag that until you erase the parts that you want to erase by moving the dots. Get this 14, bring the Magic Eraser up a little bit, and now they're gone. And of course you could play with that and bring the handle back up right there, just like that. So it looks more like the image that we created earlier. Move those around a bit. You can see it's bringing it up, the foam. And then what you do is you simply just click on this to get rid of the lines. And now you have your trace image. And you click download. That downloads the image right there. You simply open it up, and that's going to be your transparent image that you're going to upload into Canva, just like you see right here. Of course, I've covered how to do this in other videos, link in the description. Check those out. of exactly how to use Canva, but that's how you'd make the first image that we're going to use in our activity or our puzzle book. Now this is an activity. Let's go ahead and scroll back up to software, click on software. And since we have an activity of a dot to dot, now let's scroll down and create a puzzle. And to do that, we'll click a word search crazy puzzle. Click access now. That'll load up word search crazy. Simply scroll down till you get a little more screen real estate right here. And here you're going to create a puzzle, a word search puzzle. To do that, you just need some words. As you can see right here, I have some beer styles or some beer types. I'll just copy those words, go back here, paste those in. Here you can click remove space between words because there is a space between brown ale, wheat beer, pale ale, and India pale ale. So we'll select that. Then we'll bring this up to about 16. That's a good size grid for a puzzle. And we'll use a transparent background, and you simply go ahead and select generate search. Before we do that, we'll select two column, select generate search, scroll up a little bit, you see the grid, you see the clues, and of course if you click solution, solution 1 is going to be highlighted words, solution 2 is going to be circled words, and you simply go back to puzzle and you download that PNG. Open it up, just like the beer mug with the foam and the dot to dot. We have a transparent background right here. We'll go ahead and close that. Go back to Canva, add a page. Here we'll upload media from our device. There's our puzzle. Go ahead and select our puzzle. There you can see, all we got to do is just make that bigger, as big as we like it. And then center it right there in our puzzle book page. And then we have a puzzle around beer types to go along with our page right there. Simply click download, PDF print, download that. Right there you see the design. We'll go ahead and open it up and you'll see right there we have 2 pages. We'll go ahead and bring this in so you can see it on the screen, and then we'll scroll down. So we have our first activity, which is our beer mug with foam. Of course you can color this. It's also a dot to dot. Then you scroll down to the next activity. It's going to be a word search puzzle listing the types of beers. So again, that puzzle was created with Word Search Crazy inside of the software, inside of Puzzle Publishers. And of course that includes Search It, Find It, Simply Maze Crazy, the legacy version of that, Word Search Crazy, Graphical Search Crazy, Dot to Dot Crazy, Daisy Editor, Crazy Hangman Builder, Robot Crazy Builder, Mandela Crazy, as well as Crazy Stretcher Pocket Edition. You can see tons and tons of tools as well as the templates. All right there for you ready to create a puzzle or an activity book, or simply individual pages that you could print out here and you could sell or use for whatever you need to use them for. Of course, you could sell those on Etsy, your own website as printables as well. I'll go ahead and leave links in the description so you can check out Puzzle Publishers, the membership. You can click there, check it out, as well as in the description, other videos where I walk through each of these individual tools until I get to the point where I actually make an entire video where I walk through and show you every tool that's inside of the membership area, as well as the Facebook group. If this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up. Typewriter right here, click that typewriter, subscribe to the channel for more awesome videos just like the ones you see right here. Click those, keep watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.